As I prepare to leave, my heart feels heavy saying goodbye to Jaisalmer. To the endless golden dunes of the Thar desert that whispered adventure, the living fort that stood timeless amidst vibrant streets, and the sacred grounds of Longewala and Tanot, where courage echoes through every grain of sand. These places has given me memories that will live forever. Stories of beauty, sacrifice and unbreakable spirit. Until we meet again, Jaisalmer, thank you for touching my soul. But now, our journey continues to other part of the Rajasthan, the majestic blue city, Jodhpur. You can start your day by visiting the first place of Jodhpur, the Blue City. Once upon a time, Brahmin families started painting their houses in blue color, which happened in between 15th to 17th century to mark social status, reflecting the sky, a divine connection, and practically blue lime wash, which is copper sulfate plus limestone. This helps to keep their homes cooler in the Thar heat and repel the termites. The trend spread citywide, creating that iconic Indian Ocean scene from Mehrangarh Fort. The people also here are so friendly, not just the adults but also the kids. After that, you can head to the Mehrangarh Fort. The Mehrangarh Fort was built approximately 500 years ago, which is said to be on 1459 by Rao Jodha, the founder of Jodhpur. This palace is said to be fully intact and completely functional with a lot of treasures inside and some nearby attractions on the hill like Ranisar Talab, and then you can head to Umaid Bhawan Palace. Just above the mesmerizing blue city stands Umaid Bhawan Palace. Not just a royal home but a famine era lifeline built by 3000 hands. Inside, Art Deco meets Rajasthan's royalty in marble halls and beautiful vintage car collections. Jodhpur's modern marvel. There's an airport nearby where you can find out at least a flight flying above for every 15 to 20 minutes, which is a great sight to watch. For the afternoon, to satisfy your hunger, you can visit the Polo restaurant, which is in the middle of the city. You can try the best authentic dishes over here. And after that, you can wind up your day by visiting to the Sardar Market. You can find a big clock tower in the middle of Sardar Market. You can do plenty of Rajasthani look shopping over here. After that, we have head to the Torji Ki Jalha Bavdi, which is a square step well. There is a beautiful sight to watch here, and you can experience good night photo shoot over here. The tiny things which you see inside the water are the fish resting for the night. We also got a chance to witness the beautiful Mehrangarh Fort in the night, which looks like a golden palace. There are many vintage and authentic collections and constructions which you can visit nearby the same square shaped lake. There is also a restaurant which is open rooftop restaurant where you can have the beautiful view of the Mehrangarh Fort and also the square shaped well, which is called the Toji Ki Jalra. I hope this video is very much informative and at the same time as cinematic as it looks. There's a lot more to come in Rajasthan and Gujarat in the next episodes. Just go and like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are everywhere. See you in the next one.